dare you drop this?
Times are getting hard, boys. Money's getting scarce. Take my true love by her hand, lead her through the town. Say goodbye to everyone, goodbye to everyone. Had a job a year ago, had a little home. Now I've got no place to go, guess I'll have to roam. Take my true love by her hand, lead her through the town. Say are getting my true love by her hand. Goodbye to everyone. Say goodbye to everyone. Goodbye to everyone.
What's going on?
Didn't you see the emergency broadcast?
No.
Last night in London, some guy got attacked by God knows what. Changed and started attacking other people.
Shouldn't we leave?
No. The broadcast said to stay inside. There doesn't seem to be anything going on around here anyway.
Well, I'm gonna go call the police anyway.
Don't shoot.
What should we do about these?
Arrest us. That's what the government's calling them.
Should we kill them?
No, just find something to block the door.
How long have you been here?
Since the start. This was my home. I've had enough supplies to survive up until a few days ago. I'm sorry I didn't offer you anything.
don't worry about it. Have you been here all alone all this time?
No. I was with my girlfriend, but she...
I'm sorry. My name's Jonathan, by the way.
I'm Warren. So, have you lost anyone?
Well, I've tried to stay distant, but I guess that's how I've been since the beginning of all this shit. All I've really needed was music. I just listen to the music and I don't feel so alone.
So where are you heading?
When I was in town, 2 people dropped a map and it apparently leads to a safe zone. That is where I aim to be tomorrow night.
Where are these people now?
They're dead.
This safe zone. How do you know it isn't a trap?
I don't, but I need to find out. But you're welcome to join me.
I appreciate the offer, but when everything returns to normal, I want my house to remain intact.
Hello? Why do you call them that?
Oh, it was on the news. All the news reporters were calling it.
Did he ever say what caused this?
No. All the TV channels went down after 2 hours.
I see. And are you sure you won't come with me?
Yeah, I'm sure. Thanks anyway, though.
Okay, well, I guess it's goodbye. See you later.
Yeah.
cast out the worthless servant into the outer darkness. In that place there will be weeping and gnashing of teeth.
What happened?
Are you of God's creation?
Well, I haven't been scratched if that's what you're inferring.
You know what this is? This is God's wrath on humanity. Those who angered him must now pay the price and remain deafened by the sounds of the apocalypse. Only now must we choose whether we remain true to the Creator, or be sheltered under Lucifer's gaze.
The men who did this to me had chosen. They robbed me and left me for dead. But they were no stranger to the temptation of sin.
And where do you think you're going? Don't you fucking dare! Took your time, didn't you? Anything useful? Well, there's a gun, one shot fired, broken iPod, and a map to the safe zone.
He knows about the safe zone.
Took care of that guy. Should have known earlier.
Shut up. We've got bigger problems. He was probably with them. I doubt it. He wouldn't have been following a map. Probably just found it.
There was another one in the car. You think he's with him?
Well, there's only one way to find out. Were you with anyone?
No.
And were you following this? Who's that?
Oh, guys. Restless.
I've been scratched!
We can't stop now.
I think they've got bigger problems than losing us right now. What happened when I left you?
I got home and then I fell asleep. And then when I woke up, two guys were standing over me. One of them knocked me unconscious, and then when I came to, you were there.
Do you know what they wanted?
They mentioned the safe zone, but I don't think they were allies.
Well, maybe we can ask them when we get there. If you're coming.
I'm gonna have to. It's not like my house is safe anymore.
I think we're close.
Is it broken?
I don't think so.
Can I see it?
Yeah, sure.
John, I think... going?
Just go!